Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we'll be learning that when new users sign up in Thinkific, automatically create subscriber in MailerLite. So the idea here is that whenever a new user sign up into your Thinkific account, automatically the same user should be created as a new subscriber in the MailerLite account. But here the question is how to do this, because there is no direct connection between Thinkific and MailerLite. So first, let us check this in the real time and then we will move on to the integration process. So this is the sign up page of my Thinkific account and this is the MailerLite account where I have created a group named Thinkific users. So now I want that whenever any of the user create a new account over here, he sign ups into the Thinkific account, automatically the same user should be created as a new subscriber here in this particular group. So let us just fill the details and let us add a new subscriber over here. I'll just give the first name as Adam, last name as Smith, email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com. I'll add the password over here and I'll add the phone number also. And let's click on sign up. And here we can see that Mr. Adam Smith is logged into the Thinkific account. Now let us check the MailerLite account. Here we can see that already 2 subscribers are added to this particular group, that is Thinkific users. Now let us refresh it. Okay, and here we can see that now the 3 subscribers are added to this group. Let us check who is the 3rd subscriber. Okay, I'll scroll down and here we can see that adamsmith11@gmail.com is added over here. I'll just open it and here we can see the subscriber details. Now here you might be wondering that I just signed up into my Thinkific account over here on the name of some new user and automatically the same user is added here in my MailerLite account as a new subscriber. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and integration process. So in order to create an integration between Thinkific and MailerLite, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Thinkific with MailerLite automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we are going to create an integration between Thinkific and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture the details of the new user who have signed up into the Thinkific account. And using those details of the new user, automatically a new subscriber will be added to the MailerLite account. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Thinkific and MailerLite using Pabbly Connect. Here we are using 2 software applications. The first one is Thinkific. So Thinkific is an online course platform where we can create and sell the courses online. So in place of Thinkific, we can also use Teachable, LearnDash, Kajabi, etc. And the second application we are using is MailerLite, which is an email marketing software. So in place of MailerLite, we can even use MailChimp, Encharge, Pabbly email marketing, etc. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Thinkific and MailerLite Integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new user sign up into a Thinkific account, automatically a new subscriber should be created into MailerLite. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Thinkific. In the trigger event, we have to select new user. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions are also mentioned. So let us read the instructions. Log into your Thinkific account. From your dashboard, navigate to settings and select your code and analytics tab. Using the menus or scrolling to the bottom of the page, navigate to the webhooks, and there we have to click on the webhooks button. Okay, so first let us go to the Thinkific account. So this is my Thinkific account. Here we have to come to the settings tab. And here we can find code and analytics option. Click on code and analytics. And here we can find the webhooks option. Simply click on webhooks. Here we have to click on this webhooks and arrow key. And here we can see that already 2 webhooks are created. Now here we have to click on new webhook. Here we have to select the model of the webhook, that is the user. Here in the topic we have to select user sign in or user sign up. So in my case I am taking it as user sign up. Here we have to give the target URL. So this will be the same webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So we are going to simply copy this webhook URL from here. We'll go back and here we are going to paste the same webhook URL. Okay, and now let's click on save. And here we can see that a new webhook is already created. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So first let us sign up on the name of some new user. So I'll just go to the Thinkific account. Here I'll just click on sign in. And instead of signing in, we are going to click on create a new account. So here we are going to fill the details for the sign up. Let's give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the password over here and I'll add the phone number. And let's click on sign up. Okay, and here we can see that we are logged into the Thinkific account by a new user named Shikha Arya. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that the response is received. Okay, and here in the response we can see that all the details related to the sign up are captured over here. Here we can find the first name, last name, email address and phone number of the user. Now we want that using all these details, automatically a new subscriber should be added to the MailerLite account. So come to this action window and here in the application name, let us select MailerLite. In the action event, we have to select add or update subscriber in the group. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So for the API key, let us read the instructions. Log into your MailerLite account. Click on profile picture from the top right side and select integrations from the drop down menu and click on developer API. Okay, so let's go to the MailerLite account. Here we have to click on profile picture and we can find the integrations option. Click on integrations. Here we can see the developer API option. Click on use and a key is visible over here. We are going to simply copy this key from here. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we will paste the API key over here and click on save. And now the MailerLite account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the group ID. So I'll just take you to my MailerLite account once again. We'll go to the subscriber option. And here you can see that I have created the six subscribers over here in this account. Now I want that a new subscriber should be added to a specific group. For that, come to this groups option. Okay, I have already created 2 groups. We are going to create a new group over here. So let's create the group. Let's give the group name as Thinkific users. Okay, and let's click on create. So here we can see that the group is ready. Now we have to select the same group here in Pabbly Connect also. For that, we have to refresh for the new items. And here we are going to map the new group, that is Thinkific users. Now here we have to give the details of email, first name, company. So we have already got the details of the user from the Thinkific account. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, I'll scroll down. Here let us map the email address, that is shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's map the first name as Shikha. We don't have the company name. Let us map the last name. Okay, scroll down. We don't have all other details. Okay, here we have to map the phone number. So let us map the phone number. And this is the phone number. Okay, we don't have the state and zip details. We are leaving it as blank. If you have all these details, you can map it over here. And let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Now let us check the MailerLite account. I'll refresh it. And here in the Thinkific users group, we can find 1 subscribers. Let us open this group. And here we can see that shikhaarya25@gmail.com, this particular email ID is added to this particular group. I'll just open this email and let us check who is the user. Okay, and here we can find the details of the user or the subscriber, name, last name, country, company name, all other details. Okay. Now in this way we can see that our integration is working. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we want to check this in the real time. For that we have to go to the Thinkific account and on the name of some new user we have to sign up. So I'll just go to the account. I'll log out from here. Okay, sign out. Again we have to click on sign in. And again we'll click on this create a new account. And this time let us give the first name as Sanjay, last name as Jan, email as sanjayj22@gmail.com. I'll add the password over here. And let's add the phone number. Click on sign up. Okay, and here we can see that Sanjay Jain is logged into the Thinkific account. Now let us check the subscribers. We are going to refresh it. So let's go to the subscriber tab. Come to the groups option once again. Here in the Thinkific users, we can find 2 subscribers. Let us open this particular group. And when I scroll down, here we can see that sanjayj22@gmail.com, a new subscriber is also added over here. And the name of the subscriber is displayed over here. Okay, name, email address, last name and the phone number. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Thinkific and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details related to the new user. And using all those details, automatically a new subscriber is added in the group of the MailerLite account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Thinkific and MailerLite using Pabbly Connect.